I'm teaching to SPJMR FPM programs since last 5 years, and each year journey is full of experiences and immense learning. My research interest areas are now increasingly become important at the global front. I do research in energy and economics, developmental issues. For example, the core focus is on carbon trading, carbon tax, and emission systems. Except the rigorous coursework, what makes SPJMR FPM program different and unique, I can explain in 3 points. The first, the value-driven learning. What do I mean by value-driven learning, which is also connected to SPJMR mission? There are core courses like developmental issues, which gives them scholars a perspective to think differently. No matter what their research areas are, they have a perspective to think about the sociological aspects and also the environmental concerns. At the end of the day, they can connect and bring some policy application in their research. The second point, SPJMR organizes weekly a research seminar which gives the scholar an opportunity not only to attend but also present their research work and ideas. Also, many top national and international researchers and academicians coming to present their work in these seminars. While attending these seminars and presenting their work, they understand what are the interdisciplinary linkages, what are the expected findings, learnings, what is happening around the world in their core research areas, and also how to defend and answer the questions from the critical audience. Moreover, our annual research conference as well as a paper development workshop where the editor and the member of the review committees come and review the paper of the students and various other faculties from the national and international audience. This is an immense resource which is available at SPJIMR. And the third point, which is our value and the practice-driven learning. What is the practice-driven learning? Sitting at the heart of the financial capital here in Bombay, we have access to many of the resources provided by the industries like qualitative and quantitative data, real-time data and understanding, interaction with the very practitioners. And this is how it is not only the research but also understanding and getting some insights from the field, also building some case research and case teaching methods which help them to grow and understand and learn together. So therefore, I invite you to join this value-driven, practice-oriented and research rigorous journey at SPJIMR.